Also, this system with the Apple CarPlay, if you plug your phone in like so, you will see there it kind of duplicates your phone screen, so you can use your phone through this through the control system here. So you've got messages, audio books, whatever you've got, and you can just scroll through them, listen to anything. There you go, Audible. And if I turn that up,
164 miles in any direction.
Fantastic system. Music. We'll go to iTunes, find iTunes on there, and let's just turn it up. So great system in the Ford, absolutely second to none.